Hey, good morning and welcome back to the adventure. Today's Thursday, and as you can see, I'm in the garage. I'm gonna do a little bit of review. I don't do many reviews on this channel, of course. I just like getting out and having fun and riding my bike and doing things instead of sitting in a garage doing reviews. And you can get a lot of reviews out on YouTube, so I would be just another one that's pushing reviews out. But anyway, I wanted to do a review of this replacement folding finger system here. If you're familiar with GoPros, they just come out with the HERO13, and on that HERO13 they've added this magnetic mount to the GoPro. Makes it pretty cool. That way you don't have to unscrew the thumb screw all the time just to change things around. This mount here is actually pretty neat, but it's only for the HERO13. So I do have a HERO12. I actually have a lot of GoPros. My camera here is a HERO10 and my overview is a HERO11. And so what I was wanting to do is take this replacement finger and see if I can install it in the 12. GoPro says that there's not a lot of difference between the dimensions of the case that the camera's in. Is more internal things than it is external things. And so in theory, then I should be able to take the same feet that you would have on the 13 and put them into the 12, and then I could use this magnetic mount on the 12 as well. And the benefit would be, if you buy more of these mounts, then you can, on a bicycle, I could just have this mounted on a bicycle and use the 12 as my B-roll camera, and then use the 13 as my A-roll camera, I guess. So anyway, wanted to do that, see if it works. I bought this with my own money. GoPro don't send me anything, and so if you decide to do this, use a little caution, because I don't know if what it's gonna do to the camera. I don't think it would do much, but it will cover up, it will cover up the speaker grates. Hopefully you can see them there. Let me, oops, wrong way. Cover the speaker grates, and so therefore you may not be able to hear the beep sound as you turn it on, or change from video to photos. But we'll see what happens. All right, so let's put all this to the side a little bit and get into this box and see what we can find in here. The box says that it comes with replacement folding fingers, screws, and a screwdriver, which that's cool, because I don't have to go find a little small screwdriver to get them Phillips head screws out. So here it looks like is, I don't know what this is. Oh, these are the fingers. This is the finger mounts itself. Duh, should have known that. There you go. And hopefully, this is the 12. Turn around where you can see it. This is the 12, so it should just slide right in there. And it looks like it's pretty close. All right, this is probably the screws. I'm gonna get a plate to put the screws on, so hang on, be right back. All right, we'll use this Park Tools magnetic holder. Get that out of the way. Screws back. Just going to tear into this. Wow, them screws are tiny, tiny, tiny. All right, 4 screws, and then screwdriver, and that is definitely a tiny screwdriver. I don't know what kind of head that is. I guess it looks like a star type screw. Okay, so the first thing we need to do on the 12 is to take this this set of mounting fingers out, and we should be able to use the screwdriver that come with it. Yep. This is gonna suck if this doesn't work. Okay, there's one. We don't want to lose these, so we'll set them back here off to the side. A little pair of forceps so you can get it in there to get that screw out. There's screw number 2. All right. Screw number 3. Screw number 4. Okay, and then the fingers just pop right out. Interesting, right? So as you can see, you know, do the comparison of the fingers. Of course, this one for the 13 is a lot flatter, and so it's got to stick. Hopefully these screws are longer for the new one. They do look a little longer, which is good because the way this is designed, it's going to sit right down in that groove. And of course, this one being longer, it's definitely not going to sit in the groove, but it does sit in there, and the holes do line up. So let's try to get these little bitty itty bitty screws in to the GoPro. All right, screw number 1. And that did tighten down. It actually tightened down. That's a good start. And we're gonna alternate them just because it's the way I always do things, right? So we'll put one screw number 2 on the bottom side, and they are magnetic. All this is magnetic down through there. So now let's do screw number 3. Drop that one. Try that again. Screw number 3. The magnet's knocking these things around pretty good. Well, that magnet is strong, man. It's Okay. I don't know what the torque value on these are. I'm just kind of putting them in, you know, kind of hand tight. Don't want to over torque them. They're really, really small. And then the last screw. All right, so there you have it. Hero 12 black, Hero 13 thumb screws. They're in there. Just make sure they're tight. Get a little more torque on it. That one's good. That was tight. And then the last one, tight as well. There you have it, folks. A Hero 13 folding finger installed in a Hero 12 camera. And so now the real test is, here's the mount that comes with it. Voila, that's cool. And it's on there really tight. So there you have it. Hopefully that gave you some confidence that, you know, you can go buy this. I think, you know, if you're a subscriber to GoPro, this is like $10, and they shipped it for free. So like I said, I spent the $10 just to see if that would work, and I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So now I can use this whole mounting system on the GoPro 12. I would imagine if you don't have a 12 or a 13, you may be able to do it with 11. I may try that later with a 10 as well. The body of the cameras are the same. The mounting fingers are a little bit different, but it may work. So let's turn this on. And I don't have the sound on, but let's go in and turn on the beat volume. So there you go. If you heard it beep, I can turn it off, turn it back on, off, on. So you can hear the beep from there. And I've got, let's see what volume I've got this set at. I got the beep volume set on low, so if I turn the beep volume up to high, you can hear it pretty well. So we'll leave it at high. Yeah, that's very, very cool. So anyway, I hope you got something out of that. At least, you know, you don't have to go spend your money knowing that it would or would not work. You know that it'll work, at least from doing it on the Hero 12. And so if you like what you see, of course, you know, give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And ring the bell for notifications. And we'll catch you on the next adventure. Hope everybody's staying safe out there.